But you know what they're doing with these police cars nowadays? Just like everybody, they're trying to appeal to the masses, right? Which nowadays is the hip-hop crowd. So I'm driving, I get pulled over and shit. I didn't do nothing except for being a true red-blooded American. You want to pull me over for that? So I'm sitting there waiting. The lights are blaring, the siren's going off. But this time, the siren's a little different. I'm waiting. The sweetest police cars. You guys seen these? The Dodge Magnums, the Dodge Chargers. You seen these police cars? Bullshit, right? Then the siren's going off this time. The siren's a little different though. You know, trying to appeal to the masses. I'm waiting my car. It's like. He broke it down. The guy was getting a car. I thought the beat was gonna, you know, the beat switches up. He comes out of his car. Pulls out of his pocket what I thought was a ticket book was actually a mini turntable system. He turns it on. The record didn't start yet. License registration. Biatch, biatch. Motherfucker gave me a ticket, I gave him a contract, it was golden. Damn it. He's out of his fucking car, and the beat switches up, he walks up to me like... Pulls out what I thought was a little ticket book, was actually a mini turntable system. It's like... The record didn't start yet. 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 License registration. Biatch, biatch. Biatch, biatch. Biatch, biatch. Biatch, biatch. Biatch, biatch. He gave me a ticket, I gave him a contract, it was golden. Thank you, I'm BeBot, you've been a lovely crowd.